Welcome to this week's Technical Corner. Now, in my opinion, this is probably the most relevant technical corner that we have done that's relevant to all engineers in the UK that drills holes. Neil, you've got a large portfolio of deburring products at Cogsdill, but today we're going to concentrate on the burr-away product. Now,
that's right.
What application does this lend itself to in particular?
Okay, Jill, the burr-away tool, as you say, it's a deburring tool. It's designed for deburring both sides of a bore in one pass, and it lends itself to anybody who drills holes. Now,
the holes, you know, we're talking about holes, there's hundreds of thousands, millions even of holes that get produced every year.
Correct.
Now, when I used to work at CNC, I used to use a chamfer tool to deburr my holes. Why would I use a burr-away tool?
Yeah, you'd use a burr-away tool. If you use a chamfer tool, you've got to turn a part over to deburr the back of the bore. So you would use a burr-away tool to go through and deburr the back of the bore at the same time as the front of the bore.
So effectively it's front chamfering and back chamfering.
Yep.
So is it predominantly for that kind of application like we've got on the screen here?
Yeah, correct, yeah. This kind of application here is deburring the front and the back of the bore in one pass.
Now when the tool's running through the bore, what's going to stop it, the blade scratching the bore?
A polished crown on the top of the blade stops it from scratching the bore on the way through.
Right, and with that kind of setup, you know, with that blade, can you actually set the edge braking, the chamfer on there?
Yeah, you can, as you can see here, Gio. Actually, on the cutaway, you've got a screw, spring, and plunger. By adjusting the screw, the back of the blade, it increases the spring tension, which in turn increases the tension on the blade, and increases the size of the chamfer. For larger burrs.
And this is a complex application here that's on the screen now.
Yeah, it's difficult to reach this area. As you can see, you've got to deburr it from this side. It would be incredibly difficult. So the burr-away tool is an ideal tool for that job.
So, what kind of benefits would you see using this particular type of tool in regards to time saving, consistency, etc.?
Exactly what you've just said. It saves time, gives you a more consistent deburr. That's it. And
would this be perfect for my CNC machine?
Any machine you like. You can put it on a CNC machine. You can put it on a pillar drill. We have applications in the field where we've got structural steel manufacturers who drill parts for buildings, for steel I-beams for buildings. They usually put those on a big CNC drilling machine. And then we have customers who are aerospace manufacturers who put them on air drills.
Yeah, well, I've been into aerospace companies, you know, I'm not mentioning the names, but where they're actually drilling with an actual manual drill.
Yep.
Into the body and the frames.
Yep.
Now, again, this would be perfect for that application, wouldn't it?
Absolutely.
Now, I'm going to put you on the spot. Show me how it works, Neil.
Okay, right, here we have, put your glasses on, Gio. Normally we would have a pillar drill or a CNC machine to put these on, but in the absence of a CNC machine, here's a spindle I found earlier. And this is an aerospace steel. It's a part that I put some holes in it earlier, and this is as simple as it gets.
That's
deburred.
Very easy.
And that's deburred 4 edges: the front of the hole, the inside of the other hole, and the back.
So this is a perfect example. You know, how would you have deburred them internal holes?
You tell me.
With great difficulty.
Absolutely.
Now, you know, if you're looking to improve your processes in regards to deburring in cycle or out of cycle, get in contact with Cogsdill. All of the information is on your website, or they can contact you direct. Neil, thank you very much for your time today. Hopefully, you know, this is a perfect solution for someone out there that's watched this Technical Corner.
Thanks, Gio.
Thank you.